Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Tech Aruna, and I hope all of you know about that. I'm running a series on Canva tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to create our own music for any design created or video created. Many times we use music available inside Canva and it gets a copyright strike, and many times we use outside music which also gets copyright issues. To avoid that, why don't we create our own music? That is possible with the help of an app inside Canva. That is what we are going to try today. So without wasting much time, let us enter into Canva platform, log in, and choose a video template so that we can add the music to check whether it works or not. So I'm going to choose videos. Here we go. I'm going to search for intro. So let us create an intro video for YouTube. So choose YouTube intro and you can choose a template. I'll choose a simple one. Here we go. We have chosen a simple template for our intro. So I'm going to, if you want, I can change the text. I'll add my name. So we'll make the settings. Now we have to go to apps. So click on the apps. Now search here for AI music. So the first option, click over it. Now again the first option. There are actually many AI musics available or else music apps available. Only thing is they allow some limited free credits for us. So here this AI music you can create for 30 seconds also. So you need to choose these styles and moods. The interface is so simple. You need to choose the parameters. Now let us choose some parameters, like let me go for a happy one and dynamic, and still I want something else to be added, dramatic. I think this will be enough, cinematic. Okay, done. Now you can refine the music parameters also, like whether you want it less intense, more intense, or slow or fast, and then loose or rhythmic. I've chosen everything maximum, and dark or bright, that also you can choose, and stable, that also you can choose. Now I have set the duration for 30 seconds. Now let us give the option compose. So let us wait for it to compose. So it is added in my audio bar. So you can see here it is added here. Now let us see playing this. Bailar, Minela bailar, pausar, camina osar, bailar. I think it is a wonderful music created by artificial intelligence. And in case if you want for more seconds, what you can do is create for 30 seconds and copy paste or duplicate it, and you can go for more seconds also. I hope you found this useful. If so, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, do write in the comment box. And thank you for watching.